Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about. I think this is not a new topic. Okay, this is something like we're going back to revising stuffs. Okay, to see how much you know about in the Python. We're gonna go with inputs. But a little medium, let's say. So let's do a equals to int. Oh wait a minute. Wait, this always happens. I don't know how this happens, but it does happen. Wait, wait, should be working. Doesn't work. Wait, okay. A equals to int bracket input, and then you know the rest. Bracket quotation marks, enter your number. Your number. Then same thing for B. We're gonna do B too. So copy this. A turns into B this time. Now there's gonna be any equations. So let's just say question number one. So question one. Question one equals bracket A plus B power 2. How do you solve this equation first? Let's say A is, okay, let's make this easier for you. Know why I'm here. Yes, I know. Yeah, text box. No, this is better. So let's say my A. Okay, let's make it this easy. Let's say A is, let's think here. Yeah, A is gonna be, A is going to be 5. And B is going to be 10, right? Now, following this equation, A plus B by the power of 2, A is 5 and B is 10. Replace it. That A is now going to become 5 and B is going to become 10. So 5 plus 10 by the power of 2. That means power by. That's 15 by the power of 2. Okay, guys? Guys, if you didn't watch my math videos, go watch it right now. Because this answer, 15 by the power of 2. Let's write it like this way. 15 by the power of 2. Tell me your answer in the comments. What is the answer? Okay, tell me the answer in the comments. I'm not going to tell you. But guys, if you want to know the answer, go back to my video and watch you can go look into view my channel called Kiddos-AK. Okay, me and Enver work with that together. Okay, my brother Enver. So me and him work to use the same YouTube channel. Search Kiddos-AK. But if you find a matrix, just press on it. Learn how to do this strategy. It's really simple. And then you can answer this question. 15 by the power of 2. Anyways, let's clean this up. Oh my god, yeah. Okay. Then what we do after, okay, then, so let's just say we have many more questions, so let's just copy this thing. So there's like, I think, like E minus B, and then we have cubes. So like 4 questions. Question 2, 3, and 4. Anyways, use minus here. Here we have to do, same thing, Control C. minus. All you have to do is 3. Here's 3. Now, guys, we know it's the same thing but by cube. Okay? It's that easy. Okay, guys, let me show you a trick also how to do about 15 square 2. If you don't, I'll just show you the trick. 15 square 2. Okay, actually say 14. I don't want to tell you the answer, that's why. For that question. Actually, let's say 12. Which is like 144. Okay? I'll tell you how. Why it is 144. Okay? So split this in half. Our ones over here is 10s. 2 is 1. Oh, this actually works for 5. Sorry, guys. So we can write this as, let's say 25. 25 over here, 25 square. So erase this 144 thing, whatever I have here. So our 2 is the 10s, 5 is the 1s. Now we have 5 square. How much is that? I think you know that. 5 times 5, 25. So this is 25 already. Right here, 25. Now for 2, multiply 2. Multiply the number 2, and what's the number after that? What's the number after 2? 3, right? So 2 times 3, 6. 625 is our answer. If you do like it's same thing for like if you say 95. Oh, what's happening? 95 square, right? It's same thing. That's like 9,025. Just don't ask me how I got that correct. Or if you think I'm wrong, then prove me by using the calculator. If I am. Anyways, it was like 9,025. So anyways, what we have to do here, instead of just making like more lines, just write question 1, right? Oh my god. Question 1, print this thing. We don't have to go a new line and print question 2. Comma, question 2. Comma, question 3. What did I do? God. I don't know what you can do here. Yes, good. Comma, question 3, comma, question 4. Right. Let's print it. Let's write, what was the previous question? Oh yeah, 15 square. If you got it, let's see if you're correct. So 5 and 10. Oh, it's because of this. But if you got 225, 225 in the comments, you're correct. Good job for you if you got that. Okay? So, so yeah, let's answer some more because this thing would be quick. Okay, because, yeah, because 20 power 2 is what? 400, exactly. I know you're not going to get onto powers yet, but if you are watching my YouTube channels, that's really great. You're going to be a math pro in grade 8. Okay, so thank everyone for listening about how to do this code, revision of inputs. But I think that was easy for you, not even a medium level for you. I think that was easy for you guys, for the ones that already know. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button right now. And if you want to watch more of my YouTube videos and you want more of these, then don't forget to like the video and comment, I want more. Bye.